So in this lesson, we're going to look about how you can use the discriminant to know whether a line is going to intersect a circle or not. Okay, so your first case scenario where you have we use this discriminant is equal to 0. When you remember from the quadratic section, that means you have one root. The roots are real and equal. So here you can think about that one root. The line is going to touch the circle at one point. Okay, it's just going to touch it, which means this line is going to be tangent to this point here. Okay, it means it's just going to touch it, and it's actually going to run perpendicular to the center. Okay, which will be useful for figuring out the equation of this tangent if you know this relationship here. And also, if the discriminant is greater than 0, this means it's going to have two roots, which basically means it's going to touch at 2 points. And then again, for the third condition, if it's less than 0, it means it's going to have no roots, which you can think of the line is never going to cross this circle, so there are no roots, and there is no roots. Basically, you can say, does it touch? No. So let's try and look at an example. So here we're asked, will the line and the circle meet at 2 points, 1 point, or not meet at all? So you've got a line, equation of a line here, and equation of a circle here. So let's rewrite this out in a bit of a nicer form. Y equals mx, which here is just 1, or is minus 1 even, x minus 2. So what we're going to need to do now is substitute this into this y and that y. So let's write this out. So this then becomes x squared plus minus x minus 2 squared plus 6 x minus 8 minus x minus 2 equals 0. So x squared plus, well, that negative x squared plus positive x squared, times these together, you get positive, you get 2x, times it again, you get 4x plus 4x plus 4 plus 6x minus 8 times minus x is going to be plus 8x, and then minus 8 times minus 2 is going to be plus 16 equals 0. Okay, so let's bring all these together. So 2x squared, 4x plus 6x is 10x plus 8x, so that's 18x plus 18x, and then 4 plus 16 is 20, plus 20 equals 0, or this can be simplified again, divided by 2, so x squared plus 9x plus 10 equals 0. Okay, now we need to use the discriminant, so now change the color. So now we need to think about, well, is b squared minus 4ac equals what? So now we've got 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 equals, so this becomes 81 minus 40, which is equal to 41. So 41 is greater than 0. Therefore, it touches at 2 points. So therefore, 2 points. There you go.